everybody, welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. Myself, Aishwarya Saxena, and in this Java 19 series, we have dealt with a lot of concepts in the previous videos. So if you are new to this video, so you can watch the previous videos also to continue with it. In this video, I am going to discuss the concept of nested if-else. I have already discussed 11 videos. I have told 11 programs in the series till now. Logical operator concepts I have discussed and many basic concepts I have discussed. So if you have not watched it, you can go back to watch the playlist and you can just come back to this program. Here I am going to create another program file, that is pro12.java, and this is our 12th program, and I'm just going to take the program for if else if, that is nested if else. I'm writing it here, if else if, that is nested if else. So we are just going to deal with the nested if else concept. And the program I am taking, write a program to input three numbers and print the largest among them. Okay. So I'm importing java.util.scanner because we have to take input. I've already told about the scanner class and all in the previous videos, so make sure that you watch it if you are having confusion into it. How to create the object of any class and everything I have discussed in the previous videos. So kindly watch it and then come back to this one in case you face any problem here. So let's input three numbers. Enter three numbers. So the user will be able to see this message and he will be able to enter three numbers. This question which I am going to ask, I have already asked in the previous videos, but still I am asking. Let's see how much you know and how much you remember. Tell me this program is a system-defined program or a user-defined program in the comment section. Tell me in the comment section that this program, number 12, which I am doing here, this is a system-defined program or user-defined program. Okay. So here I'm just going to take the if condition A greater than B. Like when we use the nested if else, when we are having more than two conditions and we are not willing to use any logical operators. So directly with the help of nested if else, we can deal with the with three conditions very easily. Here we are having three numbers to check with. So we are just going to take nested if else. So here nested if else means that you are going to nest one condition inside the another one. If A greater than B, so also check if A greater than C. If it is true, so it will be just printing A is largest among A, comma, B and C. Okay. So in case this condition is true, so it will be simply printing A is largest among A, B and C. In case this inner condition is false, so it will be moving towards the else portion of the inner if and it will print C is largest among A, B and C. Because if this condition is false, that means A is not large, C is large. But in case this outer condition is only false, so it will be not going internally. It will be not going inside this if. It will be directly going towards the else portion of the outer if. And when you know that this condition is false, like A greater than B is false, I am zooming in to show you it clearly. If A greater than B is false, that means B is larger than A automatically. So B is larger than A. Then in this else, because it is nested, we will check B greater than C. If this condition is true, so it will print B is largest among A, B, C. And in case this inner condition is false, so it will be just coming towards the else portion of this inner if, and it will print C is largest among A, B, C. So this way you can do this program. It is not so tricky. It is very simple. I'm just showing you it in two parts. Like you can take the screenshot in case you want to take. And I'm just zooming in to show you this program. And I'm scrolling after a few seconds. I am scrolling down the code. This is the complete program. Now I'm going to run this. Okay. So here I'm taking Java C space pro 12.java. then Java space Pro 12. And we have taken three numbers. You can see 67 is largest among 34, 56, and 67. That is absolutely correct. If we are taking some different combination, let's say this time, so we are still getting the correct output. This time, this one is the largest number, this is the smallest. Okay, so here we have not checked for the equity, but still the equality we are not checking what the largest is coming. Okay, then suppose 76, 12, and 89 is working. If we are taking 56, 99, and 12, it is still working. So whatever combination we are taking, it is still working correctly for our combinations. And it is giving us the correct output. That means our program is working absolutely fine. You can also do the dry run to check that everything is working fine here. For that, I'm just coming towards the notepad to explain this. Okay, opening the notepad. And I will be telling the dry run. The meaning of dry run is that you are simply checking the program manually, putting values into it. So A equals to 10, B equals to 20, and C equals to 30, suppose. So first one we are just checking here, the condition A greater than B. A greater than B is false here. Okay, if this is the value, so A greater than will be false. That means B is largest. So here A greater than B is false. B is larger than A. So it will be going towards the else portion, and it will be checking B greater than C, that is false. So if B greater than is false, so it will be going towards the else portion, and it will be printing C is largest. That is absolutely correct here. Now I am making this 100. It is checking A greater than B. A greater than B is true. It will check A greater than C. It is still true. So it will be printing A is largest. That is absolutely correct. This time I am taking this 202. So A greater than B, false. It will go towards the else portion here. And B greater than C, true. So it will print B is largest. It's still working correct. This time C is 100. And it will be checking A greater than B, that is false. So it will be simply moving towards the else portion. And will be checking B greater than C. It is still false. So it will be printing C is largest. That is correct. Now this time it is 30. So A greater than B, this is false. Okay, it will come towards the else portion. It will check B greater than B, this is true, so B is. So whatever combinations we are taking, now this time A greater than B is, okay, let me take this true. Okay, now A greater than B is true. Okay, A greater than B is true this time. Okay, then it will come inside and it will check A greater than C, that is true, so A is largest. So whatever combinations you are taking, our program is working absolutely correct. The procedure of putting the values manually into the program and checking the values is known as the process of dry run. It is very important for a programmer, for a developer to know to do the dry run, because when you are doing the dry run, your concepts are building, and your concepts are building, your, you can say, basics are getting stronger. I hope this particular program is clear. In case you have any query related to this program or any other program, you are free to ask it in the comment section. Go through the playlist section here in the FameWord Educational Hub channel. You will be getting numerous amount of good videos and good courses for you. So watch it and get benefited out of it. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe it and also hit the notification bell, because after pressing the notification bell, you are going to get the notifications of my latest uploads. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and see you in the next video of Java 19 series with some new concepts.